Hello friends, welcome to Healthcare Tips Urdu. Our today's video is about the top 8 health benefits of oranges. Today I shall tell you about the top benefits of oranges. Uh, so let's go forward, friends. If you did not still subscribe this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button showing on the channel and subscribe this channel so that you may get every new video. So let's go for video. Then the first benefit of oranges is it helps prevent various types of cancer. It is very useful to prevent cancer. Citrus is more than just a fresh sour flavor used for living up food and drink. The citrus limonoids common in oranges are proven to help fight a number of varieties of cancer. In tests on animal and human cells, researchers proved citrus could help fight cancers of the mouth, skin, lungs, breast, stomach, and colon. So, the use of oranges is very helpful to prevent every type of cancer in the body. And the second benefit of the oranges, it boosts immune system, our immune system, which defend our body from every disease. So it boosts immune system. Citrus fruits are also a great way to keep you health in the present. That's because they are filled with vitamin C, which we need to produce the white blood cells that destroy viruses, bacteria, and other foreign invaders. Oranges also contains vitamin A, folate, and copper, nutrients that assist vitamin C in keeping your immune system in tip-top shape. And the third benefit of the orange is it helps reduce kidney stones. Not all citrus juices are created equal. A recent study found that orange juice but not lemon juice can prevent painful kidney stones from forming. The high levels of potassium found in oranges it thought to be responsible for keeping kidney stones at bay by flushing harmful free radicals out of the organs. So it is very useful to remove the kidney stone. If you use orange frequently, then there are heavy chances that your kidney stone may removed. And the fourth benefit of the orange is it promotes heart health. Potassium, and electrolyte mineral, is responsible for helping the heart function well. Potassium is involved in every heartbeat as it helps the heart squeeze and send blood through the body. So for the heart health, to eat orange is very useful. And the next benefit of the health benefit of the orange is it lowers cholesterol. Oranges do not contain any cholesterol, but they can lower the levels of cholesterol in your body. The vitamin C in oranges is the antioxidants in oranges that contributes to their ORAC value of 20,103. ORAC stands for oxygen radical absorbance capacity, which is used to measure antioxidants level with cardiovascular benefits. Vitamin C neutralizes the free radicals that oxidize cholesterol, which is what make it stick to the artery walls. And the next benefit of the orange is it lowers blood pressure. It reduces the disease of hypertension because the hyperdine flavor found in oranges can lower high blood pressure. One word of warning: if you want the cardiovascular benefits of this pathonutrient, don't use your oranges. Heparin is located in the white pulpy part between the inner orange flesh and the outer skin. So when you eat orange, then you should eat with that white pulpy parts, and that are between the skin of the orange and the inner orange flesh. So it is very useful to lower high blood pressure. And the next benefit of the orange is it regulates blood sugar. Oranges may be sweet, but they are high in fiber, which keeps blood sugar levels low. Fructose, the natural sugar found in oranges, prevents blood sugar levels from spiking after eating. Therefore, oranges are a great dessert or can be added as an ingredient to an entree. So the next benefit of the orange is it prevents ulcers. Not only do oranges prevent stomach cancer, they also prevent painful ulcers from forming in your stomach. Stomach ulcers are ongoing source that from inside your stomach and mess with the digestive process. Although they are fairly easy to eliminate, it is better to prevent from them from forming in the first place. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people with diet high in vitamin C were less likely to get ulcers than people who are vitamin C deficient. And orange contains up to 89% of vitamin C. Uh, these were the top 8 benefits of oranges. For more videos, please subscribe this channel. If you still did not subscribe our channel, please hit the below button of subscribe to subscribe this channel, so you may get our every new video. Thanks for watching.